Hello everybody, it's Mardax here and I would like to introduce you to Time to Know, which is a series where I show interesting games, makes opinions and try to explain what is it about. Clear capitalism. All tricks available and only profit is important at all. Today I wanna speak about OFFWORLD Trading Company, which is real-time strategy game where you need to be fast and think even faster. From first version of the script for this video I realized that in this game there is plenty of data to talk, and so I will try to squeeze it and to make a more affordable and shorter version. So before starting playing OTC, you should play tutorials. You have 6 scenarios of them. If you don't gonna do it, you're gonna have bad time. I'm sure of it. In base game, because there's a few DLCs, adding new corporations, planets with more stuff, maps, etc. So in base game, you have 4 companions and 13 resources. Most of them are connected to other resources, so for example, if you want to build greenhouse to produce food, you need water. Story is short and it's just a small factor in the entire game. Mars is colonized, and besides colonies, new corporations start running businesses to sell to colony goods and profit, because with new places to claim, new opportunities comes to earn money.
It's free real estate.
Simple as it is, but if you are thinking that this will be like civilization game, you couldn't be more wrong. To be honest, even developers makes players thinking wrong, cause main trailer on Steam store is calm and peaceful, and oh boy,
It's a trap!
OTC is sci-fi RTS game where you can play skirmish type of matches with AI or via multi with other players. Skirmishes are like 1 hour of gameplay or even shorter, and that make game replayable a lot, but in my opinion is also a problem. But okay, let's try from the beginning. After doing tutorial probably you will seek for campaign, but No. Even campaign panel recommends you to play few skirmishes matches, so you naturally will go there, and before start you have to play them. You have a panel where you can choose and set up many things and options for how much will be going. All my gameplay experiences I have been played on employee difficulty as default. There is no difficulties at all. And if you choose everything, match begin. You need to reveal some area around main colony to find a place for your base, but time is ticking. Yes, indeed, you have an active pause, but when you click to reveal terrain, for that small second game is running, so don't make my mistake and don't try to reveal too much, because AI will claim good spots for themselves. So let's say you choose some place now. You have to choose companions that are available in that match. One of it will be yours. All of them have pros and cons, and all of them specialize in some goods, tactics or resources. But after that, you will play them mostly the same. Okay, after placing your base, time is ticking again, and it's ticking fast. Thank God for active pause. After few first minutes you can even go overwhelmed about amount of things going on. Of course, don't worry, you will lose your first match fast and maybe even don't get why. While playing OTC, you discover that this game is more StarCraft type of game than Civilization. You need to know well what corporation specialization is and how to get to resources that are important for them. After that, you need to play fast and plan even faster about what's gonna be ahead, because you will lose. Don't worry, this game doesn't require skills or performing 400 action per minute, but still it's fast. In typical skirmish mode, your main focus is to buy other companies' stocks before they buy yours corporation. At the beginning there is not too much to care about debt, because you will need to buy goods, and you can't produce right now many of them without other goods, so it will not cost money. On map you can see marked as boxes and icons where it's a good place to harvest different type of goods like silicon or water, and growing your business is pretty about raising your income. Additional problem is that when you place your HQ, You can only claim specific number of tiles, so you need to think what to set up first. If you need more tiles, you can upgrade your HQ max to 5th level, or sometimes there will be auctions that can give you additional claim or specific tile. Sometimes also other things, but if you win auction and don't have enough money, your debt will rise. But watch out, debt can rise quickly, and if you don't act on time, you will cut your chances to win, like with swing of the axe. In mid game, you should try to get rid of debt and all things that rises debt for you. You can investing in goods and earning money from profitable goods like food, which is always profitable. Because debt have a connection with price of your stock. Lower price of your stocks, the easier for enemies will to be finish you off the game, and harder for you to buy their stocks because you need money. To improve your income, you can of course build specific buildings. Not to produce goods you need, but it consumes number of claims. And number of there are limited. If you have production set up for making some goods and it's not enough, or you wanna improve your production in profitable place, you can build optimization center that will allow you to optimize production and give you more goods. Also, there is a patent lab that will allow you to acquire patents for specific technologies that will also improve your overall income. And the trick with patent lab is that when somebody will claim patent, nobody else will be able to have it too. So you can expect sometimes that you are 5 seconds to finish research on specific patent, and sorry, I was faster to claim it, and that's it. Pure capitalism. Also, you can do sabotages and blank market tricks that can block for some time enemies from buying you or doing something specific, and of course other corporations can use it as well, and they will use it a lot, definitely. As gunplay, you will receive every notification about that somebody receives sabotage present. Some of them are to boost your buildings or prevent from attacking them, and they are marked green color. But there is other type of sabotages, and they are red ones, to fighting with other corporations, mostly turning off production. You can also use other special buildings like Hacker RI that can make changes in market prices for specific goods, so you can raise some price that will allow you to earn more money or to make enemies harder to win. There is also Pleasure Dome, that is a place you should place at colony near houses domes, so it will be like a bar for people that will earn you cash all the time, and there is option to build a place that connects you with entire world market, giving you better prices for some goods. There is also lots of things to get know, but it's not that hard. And of course, you need to learn how to play fast and how to use corporation pros and cons to allow you win. And this can take some time. Enemies like in normal capitalism will crush you when they will have option to do that, so this game is mostly for people who like to think and can do it pretty fast. There is a lot of data and information on screen. UI is kinda big, taking big portion of screen, and you need UI to be easy to read, so it is, but still taking a lot of space on display. Graphic is nice and kinda Mars looks like should be looking, but in this game you care about graphic on the last place on list, because you need to be able to find good spots mining and do strategy and do tactics and other things like that. Graphic is there to help you find easy your enemies and be able to read what they are doing. Any OTC graphic is like that. I tried to play multi once, but I hadn't enough luck to find enough players to play much, but from chat what was available, it was in higher difficulty that I was able to play, so I chose campaign instead for hoping for some old school type of campaign, but nope, here you have skirmish but with strict additional rules. And nearly no story. Here or there you will play skirmish matches anyway. I didn't play it on lower difficulty, that employee, but after a few hours of matches I never yet any match in that game. To be funny, while I was recording a video for that video, I win 2 matches in row, so okay. Okay, patience get profit. I was close to win, but still nope in that older matches, but yeah. That was kind of funny. A is hard to beat and it's growing fast, mostly faster than you. So it's, again, I will tell you that you need to play fast. Also to remind that food is very profitable resource, but in late game. In overall game is kinda fun, and even playing matches give you enjoyment and it's good training for your brain. Short type of matches are good if you wanna play 1 or 2 matches before work or school, even with friends to make fast-paced matches, but if you are more normal type of strategy fan, here we have a problem. In normal strategies you have time to think and game sessions are longer, but also slower. So for example, it's better to have some evening gameplay where you are tired after work and wanna have some fun playing calmly. Typical strategies give you time to play and place to make many mistakes. Of course they also require focus and also have a lot of data to consume, but they give you time to do that. OTC is more like race than strategy game, you need to play, think and perform action kinda fast. As intense match where you have break after losing or winning match, and mostly losing. Maybe when you have, like, for example 2 enemies, it's kinda slow, but if you're gonna add all available so you can have in overall 8 players at once, it will be really fast. So I think this is biggest fun in OTC, but also biggest problem. If you are looking for strategy game where you can build and grow your company for hours, sorry, that's not the case. But if you are willing to try this game, it isn't expensive and have few DLCs that adds more goods, like moon called IO, and it was
Jupiter
moon, and also that moon have an additional resource called uranium. Of course, DLCs also adds more maps to all planets and also more corporations. But here is some problem that when you start skirmish, there's only 4 corporations to choose for all players. With buying more DLCs with other companies, it's needed to know well how to play with more than at least 2 of companies, because not always you will be able to choose your fav ones. But game is kind of fun, and most people have fun with it. Even if you are more normal strategy game type of gamer, this is a lot of to have enjoyment. But probably like me, you will have fun for some time and then you will get back to normal type of strategy games or another ones. So I think this is my opinion about the OTC game. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.